Hello, Zillow Premier Agents. Today, we're going to cover what different types of leads are and best practices for how to win with them. We deliver 3 types of leads to agents' inboxes: connections, selected leads, and nurture leads. Connections are delivered to you over the phone, and you'll see a message in your inbox like this: "We connected you with this lead over the phone. Keep following up with them." Selected leads are the second type of lead you'll see in your inbox. Selected leads are buyers who select a specific agent directly from the buyer's agent list on the listing. You'll see a message similar to this: "This lead selected you. Follow up now." The third type of lead is a nurture lead. Nurture leads are prospects who either tell our connections team they're not ready to speak with an agent or are unresponsive. Think of these as bonus leads. We'll share the details the lead has provided us and let you work your lead nurturing magic to do the rest. Here are some tips to help you determine how to bucket your leads. You classified a lead as an A lead when their timeline to transact is immediate or within the next 3 months. B leads are 3 to 6 months out. C leads are 6 to 12 or more months out. And D leads are leads that you haven't been able to get in touch with yet. A leads are obviously your top priority in your pipeline, so you should speak with them often. A healthy sales pipeline should have prospects at all 4 stages. Good agents nurture their B, C, and D leads, so over time, they become A leads. A best practice to stay on top of mind for opportunities with longer timelines is to text, call, and email them once a month. By following up with leads who are 3 to 6 or more months out, many agents double their conversion rate. For more tips and tricks on segmenting leads and for templates and tips, click on the links below. The Resource Center has scripts, templates, and courses designed with help from some of the best in the industry. See you next time.